Thank you. Hey, what's up?
Sweet rhubarb, which won the match last time. Is there a strategy for that?
What I do is I have a water.
I believe it was a hibiscus flame. Hold on, I'll explain it one last time. Tea dueling. You take 2 chestnut cookies, biscuits rather, and you have cups of tea in front of you that are piping hot. You take your biscuit, you dip it into the tea, 50%, and then you wait 5 seconds, and then you take the biscuit back out and hold it vertically. The first person to make their biscuit into their mouth successfully without splooging, splashing, or splatting, I did it that time, they win.
Are we ready?
I believe we are ready. Can we get a cheer for our competitors?
Woo!
Yay, thank you. Go for it.
3,
2, 1,
jump! 1,
2, 3,
4,
5. And now the duel begins. We've got a half dunk and we've got a 3/4 dunk. Does that strategy make a difference? There's a high chance of splooging here, and that's when it lands on your chest. It's the messiest mess of them all, and it's so embarrassing. We're getting wobble on one side. Ooh. Oh, let's see if we can make, can they get it? Oh no, we've got a splat! And we have a winner! The 3rd time through, the left seat seems to have claimed all of our winners today.
Yeah, WonderWalks.
Oh, yeah. Very popular.
We love the Dickens Christmas fairs. Very good.
Oh, you have to try. Okay.
Oh, wonderful. I'd like to introduce John and Grizzly.
I believe we have met Grizzly before.
Oh, yes.
He's even guarded here.
Oh, maybe we'll busy again. We are missing our own today.
Oh, Grizzly, he looks quite happy. Oh, look at him, he's smiling, posing. How about one look at us? Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. I'll just keep No, they would not. We have 2 little girls who would be very jealous.
riders who do the same thing, they do a fancy mount. But the younger inspired guys grab the bike, bring it down like this, run along for a little bit, and fling their leg this way and toss themselves up on the side. Right? And there are other people who run along like this. So this is big and jammed.
Is the curse of the endless walk, in which you will be driving around to find a good parking place, and finally give up and walk like a mile to the grocery store, wherever you were going, only to have someone pull out in the closest space as you walk by. Forever. That is also your problem.
You want us to put these back in?
While we brave tars go skipping to the top, while the landlubbers lie down below, 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 while the landlubbers lie down below. Then up spoke the captain of our gallant ship, and a well-spoken sailor was he. This fishy mermaid has borne us of our doom, and will sink to the bottom of the sea. Oh no! Oh, the ocean waves do roll, and the stormy winds do blow, while we brave tars go skipping to the top, while the landlubbers lie down below, 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 while the landlubbers lie down below.
Then up spoke the mate of our gallant ship,
and a fine old sailor was he.
Oh, I have a wife in Plymouth by the sea, but tonight a widow she shall be.
So sad, oh, the ocean waves do roll, and the stormy winds do blow, while we brave tars go skipping to the top, while the landlubbers lie down below, 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 while the landlubbers lie down below. 3 times around spun our gallant ship, yes, 3 times around spun she. Count it off with us, here we go. 3 times around spun our gallant ship, and she sank to the bottom of the sea. Oh, the ocean waves do roll, and the stormy winds do blow, while we brave tars go skipping to the top, while the landlubbers lie down below, 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 while the landlubbers lie down below.
Shut up, stupid mermaid.
Thing